Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.
Hello everyone, this is Mandeep from Trubicars. In this video, we are in Kitchener Waterloo area. We will practice left turns, right turns, and help you guys prepare for your G2 driving test in Ontario. So if you're looking for a driving lessons, you can go to trubicars.ca to book your driving lessons. We work with the best driving schools all over Ontario. So let's get started and let's cover some of the driving rules. So anytime when you're moving from a parked position, you are required to signal and shoulder check. So from here we have to change lane, so I'm going to signal left and I will be doing a left shoulder check. When it's clear, I will change lane, and at the traffic lights up ahead, we're gonna be turning left. So left signal on, shoulder check, and now it looks clear, and now we are good to go. Speed limit, if you don't see a speed limit sign, that means it's 50 kilometers maximum. Traffic lights, we are turning left, so I'm going to put the left signal on. When you're about 30 meters from the intersection, that's when you should signal. And I'm checking traffic behind me as well. When you stop behind another vehicle, you should be able to see the back wheels on the ground, or leave about a car length distance. Light is green, but there is oncoming traffic, so that means we have to go in the intersection, wait for the oncoming traffic to clear first. And now the oncoming traffic is clear. I'm checking pedestrians on the side. There are no pedestrians, that means we are good to go. Bicycle lane on the right hand side. From this traffic light, let's go left again, so I'm going to signal left and complete stop here because the traffic light is red, and now the light turns green. Quickly scanning the intersection, no oncoming traffic, so that means we are good to go. Next traffic lights, we will be turning right. So I have my right signal on. Light is red, so we have to come to a complete stop. Now there is no sign prohibiting a right turn at a red light on this intersection. So that means after a complete stop and checking pedestrians, I can go. But now the light turns green, that means we are good to go, and there's no pedestrians crossing on this side. We do have pedestrian on the right hand side, so I'm just mindful of that. And going around parked cars, we have to signal shoulder check. Pulling back to the right side, and we will be turning right on this intersection, so I have my right blinker on. So same thing here, there is no sign prohibiting right turn on a red light, so let's practice right turn at red light. So I would slowly creep forward and checking traffic. There is a cyclist coming, so we're just gonna wait for the cyclist. Let him go first, and now there's no traffic, there's no pedestrian cyclists on the right hand side. So before you turn right, you have to do a right shoulder check as well. Just make sure the road is clear before you do your right turns. So we will signal around this cyclist. So signal shoulder check, maintaining distance. Signal shoulder check to pull, go back to my side. So sometimes pedestrians, they jump on the road like that. Now this time, this lady was already on the road, and the traffic on the other side was already stopped. There was nobody behind me, so that means it's better if I come to a complete stop and let her cross. So when the light turns green, before you go in the intersection, make sure you check again. So left straight right left to make sure the cross traffic has stopped. On this intersection we are going straight, so I'm scanning the intersection. And same thing here, from this intersection we will go straight again, slowing down, maintaining distance from the car in front of me. Scanning intersection. Slowing down again.
Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.